Hi, I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and let's talk about German grammar. And this is also part of my German course for beginners, where you learn the language by actually following a nice, funny story. So today I like to talk about adverbs. In my last video we talked about adjectives. So let's have a look, and we will talk especially about the two adverbs gern und lieber. Okay, so let's have a look. First of all, I like to remember you that I talked about the adjectives, and adjectives are normally for nouns. So as example, for the car is fast, das Auto ist schnell. Okay, so we use adjectives for nouns. The car is fast. But we can also use those words in as adverbs and for verbs. In English it would be, for example, when we say the car drives quickly, or then we say quickly, not quick. It changes. But in German, adjective and adverbs, there is no change. It's the same words. It's like schnell. There's no like in English quickly. It's the same word. So, but adverbs we use for verbs. And today I like to talk about some really special adverbs. Because they're quite irregular, and it's gern or gerne. You can use both forms, that's fine. And let's see what they do. Let's see an example with gerne. Ich esse gern, or ich esse gerne Pizza. I eat gladly pizza. The meaning is actually I like to eat pizza, because here we really say something what we like to do. We use an adverb in this. We don't say I like to eat, we say I eat gladly. Ich esse gerne Pizza. Please remember that nominative here is green, and the background color is green as well, because it's a regular verb, essen. Accusative pizza is in blue, and therefore we use the colors, the same colors I use in my course. Comparative would be here with lieber. So let's see an example here. Sie isst lieber Suppe. She eats gladlier soup. She prefers actually to eat soup is the meaning. Okay. The only change here as well is that we have a red background, because essen, to eat, is irregular. So if you want to say I prefer to do something, we will use lieber. Okay, sie isst lieber Suppe. And in superlative it would be am liebsten. Here an example. Sie isst am liebsten Eis. She eats most gladly ice cream. She likes to eat ice cream the most. The meaning. So here we have the adverbs, and let's see another example. For example, here ich spiele gerne Fußball, oder ich spiele gern Fußball. I play gladly football. I like to play football. Sie spielt lieber Computer. She prefers to play computer. She plays gladlier computer. And the last one. Sie spielt am liebsten Tennis. She plays most gladly tennis. Okay, so you have some good examples how we use gern or gerne and lieber, and also am liebsten. Quite useful in many situations, and we use it for verbs. Okay, therefore those things are adverbs. So I thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video, where we will talk more about German grammar. See you soon. Bye bye.